everyone, I am Adia Redman, and this is the first video for the Capstone Project. Yeah, and I'm excited to get started. So the business name that I chose for this project is Sneak Stack Studios, and we provide end-to-end excellence. Um, so the project that I'm going to be doing is going to be building a website. More specifically, it's going to be a PWA. We'll get into that in a little bit. In this presentation, you're going to see who the client is, the team, things like that, the scope, and the value. The team. It's me. Hi. Again. So my concentration is web and mobile app development. So I'm kind of just interested to try being the full stack developer for this, building the front end and the back end and delivering a full thing to the client. And it's going to be super exciting. So the client is actually the company that I currently work for. Consolidated County Record Systems. They're based out of Colorado, but they do business in all 50 states, and they provide tax documentation to title companies and things like that for closings. So yeah, if you're buying a house, yeah. So they are wanting to expand their clientele a little bit and also work with realtors to access like HOA documentation. And this will obviously help the business grow. And this website that I'm going to be building will be, full stack, so it's going to increase efficiency and hopefully increase client satisfaction. We don't know. So the scope of the thing, again, it's going to be a progressive web app. What that means is it's a website, but it also has app features, so you can access it on any device that you're using, which will be super helpful to realtors who are on their phone, on the go, and can't be at a desktop computer. You can just take it and pin it to your home screen, and it'll have like an app icon and everything, so quick access, which will be really, really nice for them. It'll provide a user login and authentication and secure storage of the received documents for the HOA contact information. What is outside of the scope, I will not have database integration for the thing that's going to be on the client. Also, the creation of COC documents and status letters, not a part of it. It's specifically HOA contact information. COC and status letters are completely different. Payment processing and a native app. So a native app and a mobile app is a little bit different. Native apps are like in the app store that you can buy or that are just for free or something like that. It's not going to be iOS or Android or anything. It's not going to be on the phone. And then ongoing maintenance after it's done. So I'm going to hand it over to the client. They're going to take care of it after it's completed. So that is the scope of the project. The value. So this is going to be really important, and the reason that the client wants it is because real estate agents need to get stuff quickly, like saying if they're trying to sell a house or something like that, and their client is like, hey, does this have an HOA? It's really important that they're able to get that information and, be able to provide that. And they are in Colorado or wherever they're at, they might be showing a house that's rural and they don't have good internet access, so the offline capabilities would be super important and super helpful to them, which will, again, improve efficiency and reduce delays. And because COCRS is expanding to realtors specifically instead of title companies, this will just help them centralize that in one system, which will be great. And yeah, it's custom built for them, so also helpful, I guess. And free. Who doesn't love free? So yeah, thank you. That's my project. Obviously, this is not like super extensive and in depth of what's all gonna go into it, but yeah, I'm excited to get started. If you guys have any questions or have any tips and tricks, let me know. And thank you for watching.